In this video, we are going to be looking at how to develop point of sale, billing, and stock manager application. Example of this kind of script is Geo POS. Let's look at some of the features. Some of the features are billing, CRM, HRM with stock manager, customer, that's the CRM, wallet and ticket systems. We have the integrated account with sales and purchase, multiple currencies and live exchange rates, retail business and account report, multiple business locations and warehouses, custom taxes, inclusive, exclusive and sales GST. Let's look at how the login page is going to look like. This is how it's going to look like. So after purchasing the script, please kindly use our affiliate link in the description to purchase the script. Then after that, I go straight to my C panel. From my C panel to my file manager. Then from my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm going to extract it. Extract files. Then next, I close it. After extracting it, I open the extracted file. I'm going to select all the contents and then move them to the root folder. Move files. Next, I click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain. Open a new tab. Paste it there. Enter. Then next, let me scroll down. I click on next. Okay, all are set. I click on next. Now I will go back to my C panel to create my database so I can fill this place. So now, going back to my C panel, scroll down to databases. Manage my databases. So now let me name my database as Geo POS DB, like this. Then I click on create database. Database created successfully. So I click on go back. Next, I'm going to create the user. So I scroll down to create the user. Yes, add new user. And now see user, this one. So it depends, you can name it whatever you like. Then I click on create user. So now let me close this. I click on go back after creating my user successfully. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. Let me scroll down to add my user to my database. Add user to the database. Yes, it's add user to database. I will select the one I just created, which is Geo POS. DB user, yes, it. Here as well, I'm going to select it. Geo POS DB. And I click on add. Next, I give all privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Now, success, as you can see. I now copy my username. Go back to my site. Use localhost. Use localhost. Localhost. Hit user. Enter base name. Okay. Now here I login email. Let me say admin@example.com. Okay. Let me fill here. Then the next I click on finish. So I close this. Please read the public secret on there before sending any support request. Login ID and password are same as you have entered. So next I click on go to your login page. As you can see, it looks like the one I showed you earlier before I started. Admin@example.com. So here's my login page. As you can see, I successfully installed my script. Please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if this video is helpful, use the buy me a coffee link in the description to buy me coffee. Thank you.